Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie with Lady May-ruh-key Designs, and today we are going to be making my mint bubbly body scrub. I'll show you from point A, B to the end how I make it step by step. So let's go. Oh, disclaimer, I try to limit my use of single-use items or like products, so I won't be using gloves, but just know that I am washing my hands all throughout this process before I start. Once I get on materials, set on my table, I'm washing my hands, I'm disinfecting everything. So just in case like you don't see that, I am doing it behind the scenes. Just a little disclaimer. Okay, let's go. Also, I noticed that I said peppermint. I was gonna make my mint body scrub. I'm actually going to be making my honey barbecue. Wow, am I hungry? I'm gonna be making my honey body scrub today. So first, measure out all of my oils. I got my book, my trusty dusty book with all my recipes and whatnot. And the first thing that I want to do is measure out all of my oils. All right, there we go. And I like to do everything in grams because I feel like it's like, I wouldn't say easier, but it's like closer to even numbers. So like whenever you go into ounces, you might get like a 0.4 or something, you know. Just if you go to grams, it's always a single number, so it's just easier for my eyeballs. But you can do whatever helps you. So I will have the recipe that I'm using into the description, but I'm gonna start out with measuring out 100 grams of my oils. So I use a combination of grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, and most of the times I also would use coconut oil, but I'm not in this one because I try to promote this body scrub for your face, and some people's face can't handle the coconut oil. So I'm just gonna start. Okay. Oh, you know what? I'm actually going to double this recipe because the recipe that I will link down, it makes 2 8-ounce containers, and I'm going to be making 4 today. So I'm going to go ahead and double. So I'm going to need 200 grams of oils. Okay, so I did go a little over it, which is fine. It's just the oils, no worries. I'm also going to add my emulsifying wax. So this is the wax I use. I got it, I believe, just from Amazon. So, and we're going to need 30 grams, or actually, since we're doubling it, we're going to need 60 grams. Oh. Okay. Again, a little over, not bad. Alright, and I'm also going to be adding my honey right now so I can kind of incorporate with all my oils. This is the honey that I got. I got it from my local Kroger's. Once I'm finished with this one, I found out that I have a local, I don't know what you call them, beekeeper in my area. So I'm definitely going to reach out and get local honey, but I don't want to waste this product, so we're just going to use it. And I'm going to need 40 grams. Oh, and of course, your girl goes over again, but that's okay. It's not a big deal. Oh, and I'm also going to add some vitamin E oil. Just like that. I'm almost out, so. All right, so I'm going to go heat this bad boy up in a double boiler. Mix them all up. Make sure it's all mixed together. So I will be right back. All right, so we are all nice and blended and melted, looking beautiful. It is very hot right now, so I'm gonna let it sit here and cool just a little bit, you know, before we add in our natural preservative. So while that cools, let's see if I can move this so we can start weighing out our sugars. Or sugar. I'm only going to use one type of sugar for this kind, which is 300 grams, which I'm going to bump it up to 6 because, like I said, doubling the recipe. Oh, this is the sugar I got. I think I got this. Oh, let's move this bowl. Alright, you guys, so this is the sugar that I use. I'm pretty sure I just got this at like my local Walmart. Okay, I did go over. Pretty on brand. So, ended up with 631 grams, which is fine. Let's see. I also, let's see, what else do I need to add? Got that, got that, got that. I think that's it. So, we are done with the scale. Oh, well, we do need it for one more thing. We're going to add in our, it feels pretty cool now. I can touch it. So I know it's not over 140 degrees. Okay, let's give it a, I probably should have not put that in there, but it's okay. It'll be okay. So we are gonna add 4 grams, that's with the double. We're gonna add 4 grams of this natural preservative. Just tiny bit. Just a teeny, tiny. Oh, I'm dripping, I'm dripping. Okay, one more. Okay. So let's wipe this bad boy off. As you can see, I did go over, but that is okay. That's okay. I'm gonna give that just a little mix. Alright, and now we can add. I don't know, I might wait just a little bit longer. While we wait, we can add in our soap. The soap I use is the Dial Smart Skin, dye-free, paraben-free, blah blah blah. It fragrance-free, so I like fragrance-free. That way, like, it doesn't mess up with any of the fragrances that I'm trying to promote. Okay, so I'm gonna put about 150 grams in here. I might end up having to add a little bit more sugar just because I did go over, but that's okay. Okay. Okay, so I am back. I let my oils cool down significantly because I was scared. I was worried about the sugars melting. So they're cool to the touch now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add those now. Make sure I get all them goodies in the bottom of the bowl. Okay, now for the fun part, to mix. So while I do this, I just wanted to let you guys know where I have been for probably, I think it's been like 3 weeks since I've uploaded a video. And that is because I've recorded 3 videos, and every single time that I've gotten close to the editing process, like everything's been filmed into the editing process, something always goes wrong. Something happens with the footage, something happens with editing, and so I'm praying that this one makes it to YouTube. I had a phone. Look, actually, my phone is right here. Let me move this. Look at what happened to my phone. There is 3 really good videos on here that I just can't get to. And I haven't been able to figure out how to get them off. So I'm just chugging along. I did some painting videos. I did a Q&A video. I think I'm gonna need some more sugar in here. I don't like it quite so runny, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some more sugar. Just a little bit though. I don't want it too thick, you know. Alright, let's see what that does. But yeah, so I'm really hoping, I'm recording right now on my backup phone, so the storage isn't that great, but I'm hoping soon to be able to get another phone to be able to record on. And we'll go from there. So if there's anything that y'all want to see, I definitely want to do some more painting videos. Gotta remember that it is not edible. And I was thinking about adding colorant. I have some yellow. I don't know, maybe like 1 or 2 drops just to kind of make it more look like honey. Right now it's kind of looking like a cream. So I'm just gonna add like 2 drops. 1 and 2. If that becomes more yellow, I have brown. So we're just gonna play around with it and see what happens. Oh, that just like disappeared. Oh, here it comes. Okay, so that just like disappeared. So I'm gonna add a couple more. I just didn't want to go overboard, so I think I'm gonna add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and I guess we're going 5, which is fine. And again, that's gone. Maybe I'm just not seeing the change. I think I'm gonna add like 3 things of brown. Watch, I'm gonna go overboard. I have a too much gene, even though I'm not an Aries, and I always end up going too far. Let's see, I'm gonna do 3 more of these. Oh, 4. It's okay. Okay, I see us getting somewhere. I'm gonna stop there. I'm gonna go get the containers, wash my hands, and I will be back. All right, you guys, so I am back, hands clean, station clean, with my body scrub. And then these are my containers that I made the label. I think I got the containers, let's see. Here's the top. I got these from Amazon, I believe. Yep, I love them. So we got 4 to fill up. And I always say if there's any extra, it's going in my bathroom. So let's hope that there's extra left. Alright, you guys, so this is all that I have left. I was thinking about putting it in my bathroom, but actually I have a show coming up this weekend, so I might just like divvy this up and put it in some samples, just so people that are interested but aren't sure completely understand, so they can try it. So, this is what I'm working with. Aren't they cute? Do, bop, bop. So we got 4 of them. Looking cute. And that's it. So I hope you guys like my video. And if you like content like this, make sure to hit those buttons. And I will be back, hopefully, with a new video. So, bye, you guys.